Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how I made my lashes go from this to this in just 2 coats of mascara only. So stay tuned. The first thing and the only thing that I use is my Max Push-Up Mascara. If you're around Kenya or if you're in Kenya, this is only 100 Kenya shillings only, so it is pretty affordable. So the first thing is just to directly go over your lashes. So when you reach this step, this is the angle you should be holding your wand, and then you can see me starting from the bottom going to the top, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. So you do that slowly with no hurry so that you don't mess up your eye look, and also so that you don't put the black mascara over your eyes. And open up your eyes like that so that you're able to see what you're doing. I hope you guys can see me. So wiggle your wand like that so that you can be able to apply each strand of hair. When you reach to the inner corners of your eye, hold your wand in this position so that you can do like this, like that. So that's how the first coat of our mascara looks like. You can see the difference, this eye and this eye. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So this is how our lashes look with only 1 coat of mascara. So don't worry, just in case you mess up like me, the cleaning is after you are done with everything. So the second step is to go with your second coat of mascara. I love my lashes looking a bit thick so that they can be able to be seen, and so that that darkness can be intensified, that black color can be intensified on my lashes, so that it can be easy for you to notice that, girl, I've got something on my lashes. And guess what? They are nothing but my natural lashes. So yeah, you can make your small lashes work for you if you go for these hacks. So the second step is to go over with our second coat of mascara. So guys, that's how our lashes look. I know they look a bit of messy, but this is where we do our final step, and it is using your concealer brush to clean off. But mind you, you need to clean your lashes after they are dry. If you clean them before they are dry, you're just adding a mess over a mess. So the key thing is to wait for your lashes. Give your lashes like 5 minutes just to dry. You can do like this if you want to, so that they can dry faster. And then once they are dry, you can now clean up your surface, and you'll see the lashes looking all volumized, if that's the correct grammar. You'll see them looking thick, you'll see them looking long, and everything. I am so excited, guys. I'm back and this eye is cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and clean this eye mkiona, so that msishindwe how should you clean your eyelid after you're done messing around with your mascara. So I usually stretch my eye out like that, and then this is what I do. Unaona inatoka hivyo tu. That's why I told you, wait until your lashes are fully dried out so that you can be able to remove. Guys, imagine that's it. You see? Fully dried out. I really love how they look. Let me go to the sun so that you guys can see them clearly. Thank you so much. If you have reached this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe. We don't bite. We don't bite. We don't bite. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye. Mwah.